Hey guys, it's Mike here, and I'm on to the first piece of grade 3 in the new Trinity drum kit syllabus 2020-2023. As you can see, I've had to set up a completely different kit than any of the other grades. The silent stroke heads on these kits wasn't going to be able to cut it for a lesson on joy springs. So joy springs is a jazz feel piece that basically has a constant pattern on the ride cymbal and then accents on whatever, and the accents that I'm placing here are going to be on the snare. The snare works good for placing those accents. So the pattern on the ride was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can hear that shuffle there, or that swing there. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then on the 2 and on the 4 I was doing hi-hats just to keep myself in time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you've not done any jazz, that in itself is going to be a challenge. Just practicing that in time. And then adding in the accents that we're going to be doing on the snare. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that first bar has accents on the and of 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that is kind of an undercurrent underneath that ride pattern. And then for the third bar, you're tied in, so you don't actually play that 1. It's just the pattern on the ride and the 4th bar, and then you have a pattern again on the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. On its own, that pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Bar 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have a bit of a pattern between 12 and 13 there. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. On its own, it's going to be 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2. Okay, that's 12 to 13. And then nothing on 14 other than the standard pattern on the right. 15, 16, and then lo and behold, we actually have a pattern written out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very definite on what they want you to do here. They have the sticking pattern written in as well. So they want doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 17 and 19, you have to get good at doing those and get them nice and clean. You don't want them dribbly and horrible like. That's no good. You want 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 21 has an accent on the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Same on 23. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 24 is rested until the end of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 26, 2, 3, 4. 27, 2, 3, 4. And then you got 1. So you got to be fast on that one. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And an accent on the 4, and it's a whole note. So 1, 1, and a 2 E and 3 E and a 4. And then you've got a sticking pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1. So that goes underneath that ride. 1, 2, 3. So that's on the and that's on the 4. 1, 2, 3. Then we have a scripted pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, alright. Slid away, or my hi-hat slid away a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And you can continue similar all the way down through this section. That's the 4th time then. This is all underneath the sax solo. That's why I have sax written on 33. Now we're coming into 41. It's trumpet solo. TPT stands for trumpet. 2nd bar, 3rd bar, 4th bar. All under the trumpet solo. 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay, and as we're coming out of the trumpet solo onto G, we get rest on 1 and hi-hat pedal and ride on 2. And hi-hat pedal and ride on 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're back to our pattern 3, 53, 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're on to the final 3 lines of this piece. It goes 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2. So let's break that down. 1 and 2. Bass drum, floor tom and snare drum together. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And then on the and we have bass drum, snare drum and ride. The 1 and is tied, so it goes and 2 and 3. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong line. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's 3 and 4 tied together. So it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4. So work those 2 until you're happy with them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then you got 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4. But da 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 da. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4. Want to practice it slow until you get it? 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4. So then we're on to 64. 1, 2, 3, 4. That seems difficult, but the pattern is easy and you'll get it a lot quicker than you'll get the previous line. And then you're on to 67. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for the whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you got rest for 2 beats. 1, 2, and then you got 3 and 4. And then it rings out over the 1, 2, 3, 4, the last bar. Okay. It's not an easy piece. I haven't looked at any of the other pieces in the grade yet because it's the first one I've come across. But my guess would be that this is a touch harder than what you'd usually find on a grade 3 piece. So unless you really like it, it's probably not going to be one of the pieces, your chosen pieces in the Group A for your exam. But there's a huge amount of learning to be got from this piece because it's a jazz piece and it teaches an awful lot of feel and control. Like, I couldn't do this on the silent stroke heads because it has so much feel about it that you need something that is very responsive. So actual heads were called for, and switching out the heads on that kit would have been more than I wanted to do. So I just set up a working kit that I have in bags usually to do this lesson. So listen guys, a lot of effort went into making this because of the new setup and everything. So please let me know if the video is beneficial to you, because it'll motivate me to keep doing these videos. If you have any questions on it, let me know down below. If you want any particular pieces looked at in and around what I'm working on, let me know. If I haven't done them already, I'll do them. If there's any of the previous pieces you're going to look at in the first initial grade 1 or grade 2, I have all those pieces done and they're in a playlist, so look for that playlist at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and look for the performance of this piece that I've already done actually, so that's recorded and it should be uploaded as well. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next piece in the Group A of grade 3. Thanks for watching, bye.